about yourself?
I'm Ramiro Jimenez. I'm from Mexico. I'm 31 years old. Um, I'm a civil engineer and I work for an American company. Mm, I would like to improve my English. I realize that I really I improve, but I I have some challenge still with my pronunciation. When I try to uh, have conversation in other contexts, like instance, I used to have uh, interactions out of the office with coworkers. So sometimes it's hard for me follow conversation in different contexts. Yes, as well participate in different conversations. It's hard for me. I mean, yes, I can understand. I feel like with with a good level for talk about basics, but not enough for understand like a comedy show or something like that or a full movie. So yes, that is my main reason for
Mm-hmm.
uh, take these classes.
Mm-hmm. I see, I see. Okay, okay. So I think your first and foremost goal is to improve your English for business context, yes?
Yes, yes, I would like to improve my skills with my English for my job, but as well for you know I need to sometimes do like a networking in my job, so I need to be able to um, yeah have more skills in that in different contexts like yes easy situation like in a bar for example. It's difficult for me follow a conversation. No, it's like a different context and more relaxed. The people used to use more slang in other contexts. So yes, I would like.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to learn more. Like yes, listen more podcasts, and more reality shows and TV shows. But yes, I realize that that is my weakness point,
Mm-hmm.
my weak point. But yes, yes, that's it.
So also you want to communicate with your colleagues, yes, maybe um, out of the business context, you mean? Yeah. Maybe, for
Yeah,
example, talk about
yeah,
any issues like, for example, some political, economical, I don't know, cultural issues, or even, for example, about the football last night. Yeah. Uh, oh, I
yeah,
see.
yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Definitely, yes.
Mm-hmm. And this is your first time on Preply?
It's my third uh, trial lesson.
Mm-hmm. So, yes. Um, so you're new to Preply, yes?
Yes, yes,
Uh-huh.
I'm
Uh-huh.
totally new. I made this app the last week, so yes,
Hmm.
I'm new in this app.
Uh-huh. I see. Great. And what do you do in these days to improve your English?
Uh, I try to hear podcasts uh, mainly. Yes, I'm listening a